In this video, I will show you how to customize the level of the Add to Cart button of your WooCommerce store. Add to Cart is the general button for all WooCommerce setups, but sometimes you need custom level. For example, let's say you are setting up for a online course store, then you may want to change the level to sign up, register, enroll, etc. And for me now, I want to change the Add to Cart button to order now. So let me show you how to do that. Go to dashboard and plugins, add new, WC custom, enter. Okay, here WC custom Add to Cart levels. This plugin is developed by Ronaldo Stolz. Okay, install now. Activate it. Go to WooCommerce settings, products, Add to Cart button levels. Here you can change the level for Add to Cart for in different scenarios: simple products, group products, external products, variable products, bookable products, subscription products. This scenario here you can change to order now, like this, order now, and simple product page, archive page, group product archive page. Here I have changed to order now. Let's save the changes. By default, this text may be Add to Cart, and you can change to the custom level you want to. And now let's go to the products and check it out. Here now it is changed to order now. Before it was Add to Cart, now it is changed to order now. This is how you change the level of the Add to Cart button. This is quite easy. Just you have to install the plugin and change the custom text in the WooCommerce setting, product setting. This is how you change. And if you have any doubt or questions, you can leave a comment below, and you can also request video tutorials on any of your doubts or something you want to know about WooCommerce, WordPress or Elementor design. Thanks for watching.